Never Fade Away. A cocktail tribute to Johnny Silverhand from Cyberpunk 2077, the dead rock star, the corporate terrorist, the ghost in the machine. This one goes out to ActionSalad, who requested the character. Blood red rye with a split black and red samurai rim, a cigarette smoke finish, and a silver arm laid across the glass. Tastes like a concert that turned into a riot. The bitterness never fully resolves. 8 things go into this cocktail: rye whiskey, Campari, mezcal, fresh lemon juice, black cherry syrup, Angostura bitters, an orange peel expressed and discarded, and a full split rim of charcoal black sugar and red sanding sugar. Start with 2 ounces of rye whiskey. Rye is the most rebellious American whiskey. Spicy, uncompromising, and it doesn't play nice. Rittenhouse is the classic call. Bullet rye if you want something slightly softer. Johnny doesn't measure. He pours heavy. If you only have bourbon, it works. But you lose the spice edge and Johnny would notice. Half an ounce of Campari, blood red, 50 years of rage in a bottle. This is Johnny's color, his fury, what he left burning at Arasaka Tower. Bitter in a way that never fully resolves, like him. There's no real substitute. Campari is the soul of this drink. A 1/4 ounce of mezcal. This is the cigarette smoke. Present, unmistakable, not dominant. Like a cigarette between songs at the back of the stage, Del Maguey Vida is the classic smooth mezcal. If you can't find mezcal, extra reposado tequila plus 1 drop of liquid smoke gets you close. You'll float this on top at the end, so the smoke arrives on the nose before the first sip. Prep the split rim first. Mix activated charcoal powder with black sugar or black salt on 1/2 of a shallow plate, red sanding sugar on the other. Rub a lemon wedge around the full rim of a heavy rocks glass. Dip 1/2 in the charcoal black mix, the other in the red sugar. Half death, half music. Place 1 large clear ice cube inside. Now add the rye, Campari, lemon juice, black cherry syrup, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters to a mixing glass with ice. Stir, hard and steady, for 30 seconds. Strain over the large ice cube. Float the mezcal slowly over the back of a bar spoon so it sits on top. The smoke arrives on the nose before the first sip. Hold the orange peel skin side down over the glass and squeeze sharply. The oils mist the surface. 1 moment of warmth. Discard the peel. Don't look back. Lay a silver cocktail pick diagonally across the rim. The arm. The drink is complete. The Never Fade Away is spicy rye up front, bitter blood cherry from the Campari and dark fruit, smoke on the finish. The bitterness doesn't resolve, it just fades. Like a song ending. Long, complex, uncompromising. Johnny demands everything. Never Fade Away is the samurai song that plays through the most emotional moments in both Edgerunners and 2077. His anthem, his legacy, his ghost. Samurai, we have a city to burn. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.